Big news was given today regarding a bullish catalyst for risk on assets, and that means crypto. I want to talk to you guys about Pepe in this video, which is one of the most popular new and upcoming blue chip meme coins. And I know that meme coins are kind of the last thing that crypto Twitter is worried about these days. And in general, when you're building your portfolio, I'm sure that meme coins aren't your focus. And if they are, you might want to reevaluate your situation. Because the reality of the fact is this, guys: Bitcoin is king. There are going to be some blue chip altcoins, some that are getting included in a national strategic reserve. Solana, XRP, and Cardano are three that have been named officially, along with Ethereum. Waiting to hear some others. But that does not mean that we cannot make a tremendous amount of money on some memes still. And I think that the big ones, Dogecoin, Pepe, and even Shiba Inu, still have a lot of legs left in it. And I'm sure some of the other large ones that we saw from the past still have some good runs to the upside, like Bonk, possibly Mog, or any of those other ones. But Pepe, during my experience over this bull market, and I'm still calling it a bull market, it is one of the chosen ones. Now, I think we've got a huge opportunity here, folks. And I do think that these are incredible accumulation zones because we had a bullish catalyst today. What is that bullish catalyst that I want to share with you guys? Well, if you were paying attention to my live stream earlier today, I mentioned that we are probably going to get a rate cut sooner than expected. In fact, we're very confident right now. The markets are very confident that we're going to get 3 rate cuts again this year. And we were starting to give up hope that we were going to get any more rate cuts this year at one point. And, in fact, only thought we were going to get 1 or 2. Well, now we're back to 3, and we're going to see a rate cut probably with about a 50% chance in March, and that is getting big, in May, and the odds are actually going up right now. Now, if that happens, we can get a rally sooner than we've been talking about lately. Lately, what the position has been for me has been I'm looking at a late Q2, maybe even a Q3 rally for crypto because why? Well, we weren't going to get any rate cuts until June or July. Well, now we've got news coming out to say that we might get rate cuts in May, which does lead into a bullish narrative. When we see rate cuts, it is typically bullish for risk on assets. We have seen the treasury yields coming down, which means that as those treasury yields are coming down and as the Fed is lowering the interest rate, we are actually going to see people chasing gains in risk on assets like tech stocks. Nvidia's down lately, Tesla's down lately, and crypto, and risk on assets in crypto like meme coins. Now, Pepe at one point was at a $10 or $11 billion market cap, and right now it is much, much lower than that. I, believe it or not, still do actually think that it is possible to see Pepe maybe even achieve a $100 billion market cap, which is crazy because that's a 40 or a 50x from current prices for Pepe. Is that possible? Yes. Is that what you should bank on? No, you shouldn't bank on anything for a meme coin. What you should do, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not giving you financial advice, but the best strategy is to buy low, sell high. And if you believe like me that Pepe is going to go a lot higher, well then you allocate a bag to it if you want to buy some Pepe. And then as it starts to go up and as the market cap goes back to its highs at 10 or 11 billion, you would take a little bit of profit. As the market cap goes to 20 or 30 billion, you would take a little bit of profit. Because what if we only go to 40 billion? Well, you're going to make sure that you're taking profit along the way, because if you're sitting here and you're waiting for a $100 billion market cap for Pepe, which again, I think could actually happen, which sounds crazy, but I think it could actually happen, you might be in a tough spot if you're just waiting for that number, right? So the key is to take profit on the way up, which would have served you very well during this last little rally that we had. If you have been taking profit along these big moves that Pepe recently had, if you took profit on Pepe from when it started to when it went to a $12 billion market cap, you would right now have a lot of dry powder on the sidelines ready to DCA back into that coin or into other coins, or maybe just buying Bitcoin, or maybe paying off a car or something like that. I believe that there's a lot of upside left for Pepe ahead because I think we're going to see the crypto market turn up again. And honestly, with this news that I'm sharing with you guys today about the Fed lowering interest rates, this boom could come a little bit sooner than later. Why do I say that? Well, I say that because this news is big, but specifically the market timing right now. if you look at the market timing right now, we're seeing a weekly candle come into play for our total market cap of crypto. And it's Tuesday, so we still have a lot of time left in this week. But what I want to see is the body of this weekly candle close off of either the March of 2024 all-time high, or excuse me, the March of 2024 highs for Bitcoin, right when we went into a consolidation range of over the next 250 days. But back in March of 2024, Bitcoin got to 72K and then didn't break back out past that for another 250 days. So that level right there, that March 2024 high, is a very significant level. Well, right now we've got our weekly candles actually closing in to possibly get a bottom on that high, which would be a perfect level to bounce at. You put that into also alongside of this news with the Fed possibly lowering interest rates in May. And we've kind of got the tariffs live. So we've already had the tariff sell-off. Could there be more sell-offs? Yes. Could we see Bitcoin dip a little lower down to that 72 level? Yeah. I mean, I actually wouldn't be surprised to see us to get that weekly candle close there. Could we reverse back to the upside now? Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin from its highs at 108, 109K have had a 28% sell-off, and Pepe has come down so much from its highs. It's at an insane discount right now. You really can't ask for better discounts than this, and we might get a little bit more of a sell-off on some of these alts, on Pepe, some of these things, which leads me to believe that we are in a beautiful accumulation zone. Even if we go lower, looking at all the facts that we have right now, I do feel like this is an accumulation zone. You see some major influencers in the space calling this a bear market. People are actually starting to call this a bear market. And as that switch starts to flip, as people really start to stop calling it a bull market and calling it a bear market, that right there is also a buying sign for you. So, maybe Pepe doesn't go to $100 billion. Maybe it does. I think that it's possible. But, regardless, sitting right now under a $5 billion market cap, there is insane upward potential for this coin and so many others. Maybe you're just focusing on the American-made cryptos. Maybe you're focused on the utility plays and the blockchain projects. Maybe you're just focused on the ones that Donald Trump wants to include in the strategic reserve, or maybe you're avoiding those ones. There's a lot of different ways that you could do this thing in crypto, guys, and make some money. The key is to buy low, sell high. I am a Pepe coin bull. I think it's got an awesome amount of upside left in this bull market. It has only had a little bit of time where it had major exchange listings and was listed during a pump in crypto. When we get these crypto markets pumping again and we go from our $3 trillion market cap all the way up to maybe even a $10 trillion market cap in this bull cycle, you're going to see a lot of altcoins, and I think Pepe is going to be one of them, start to pump. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Are you still positive out there, or is there something else you've got going on as bearish catalyst that I should be aware of? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. I'm bullish on Pepe. Looking forward to the rest of 2025, especially on this news about the rate cuts coming in May. In the meantime, I think there's awesome volatility for trading. If you want to do some trading, there's a $5.6 million prize pool for a trading contest going on right now on Blowfin. When you sign up for Blowfin, if you want to do some trading, you get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus with a chance to win in this trading contest. That part of that $5.6 million prize pool. So check it out if you want to, guys. Sign up using our link down below. I've been doing a lot of trading lately, and I'm going to continue to do so because I think it's a great way to earn some extra money to get to DCA into this market further as we're getting these dips. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Please remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but we're going to keep the content coming. Peace.